Dear Turkmen citizens, today the reason I just I just turned on the camera and just want to record this video. The reason that a few days ago the ex-president Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedow's mother, Ogulabat, she passed away. The ex-president Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedow and the current president Serdar Berdimuhamedow, two dictators. Their most beloved person, I guess their most beloved person passed away, because it is the ex-president's mother and the current president's grandmother. So this was the sad news for them. Obviously it was a very sad news. And as well as I want to just mention that 2 years ago, in 2021, the father of the on that time President Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedow, his father passed away also, Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedow. So Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedow in 2021, he passed away. And the reason the reason why I'm saying you this news, because I want to just address some kind of messages right now towards the two dictators, the Berdimuhamedow, Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedow, as well as Serdar Berdimuhamedow. I want to address to you guys, to both of you, the message, the thoughts, what came to my brain when I heard this news, the sad news. Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedow and also Serdar Berdimuhamedow. Both of you, probably when you heard this news, when your mother and grandmother passed away, when you heard that news, you felt some kind of pain in your heart. I'm very sure anybody would feel that pain. Whenever you felt that pain, I wanna tell you something. Whenever you felt that pain, please, if you can, just save that pain, what you felt, and just take that pain with you until you finish your presidential position, and until you finish your presidential career. Because that pain, what you felt right now when you heard that news, when you heard your mother passed away and your grandmother passed away, that pain, all the Turkmen citizens are feeling every single day. You probably only felt like only few days, maybe 3 days, 4 days, you felt like a few days probably you're gonna feel, because of course anybody would feel that pain whenever your mother passed away. But it's obviously the pain and the wound getting healed, and you're not gonna and you're not gonna feel that anymore after weeks and months. But it's not in the case of the Turkmen citizens who is suffering under your rulings every day. Every day Turkmen citizens are suffering. That the political activists cannot open their mouths by being inside the country, and even though whenever they are outside the country, their family members being tortured, the family member feeling pressure from the government, from you guys, from you two dictators, and they are every day living with the fear of losing their beloved ones. They every day living with that fears, and every day waking up with that fears. Every day they scared to look at the phone and hear some bad news about their relatives because of your oppression. So I want to just let you ponder about that pain, what you felt a few days ago, that all your people, Turkmen nations, feel. And we were hoping the political activists, we were hoping maybe something gonna change with your brain. Maybe you're gonna just change your ruling styles. Maybe you're gonna open up you're gonna improve your rating in the freedom rate in the international media. Maybe you will improve your freedom rate, and you will start to think about the Turkmen people. You start to think about your citizens. We thought like that. Maybe you're gonna change, but you're not changing. 15 years, Turkmen citizens are giving you chance. Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedow as well as Serdar Berdimuhamedow, both of you, the Turkmen nation is giving you chance. And gave you chance, and right now not giving, already gave you chance before, that you should improve, because whatever you did with the country, it's totally wrong. So our request, we are from I'm saying from myself, my side, and as well as the political activists, a lot of political activists, I know them, from them also I'm saying, you need to leave your position, because that enough, because we gave you chance a lot. We gave you chance numerous time. We said a lot of political activists, international press, all of them, they're just screaming and telling you, just stop your dictatorships, think about your Turkmen people, think about their futures, about their kids, about the relatives, about open the freedom of expression, your views. Just elevate that big wall that you put between you and the political activists. Just remove that wall. People were saying that thing to you. We tried to fight against that thing, but it's not giving some results, good results, you know. Right now, only it's like, you know, we try to treat that disease, but that disease, when that disease become untreatable fully, like we try to treat the cancer, for example, when that cancer is not treatable properly, we just have to remove that organ, you know, that part of the body, you know. The same thing, we are requesting you to just leave your position, you know. Just leave your position and give that position to somebody who will think about Turkmen nation, who will think about Turkmen people, who will think about their futures, who will feel the same pain as they are feeling and try to manage it. Give them your positions. I'm definitely sure we definitely gonna find better candidate from you. Of course, definitely we're gonna find better candidates. Many people are fighting against you. Those people are thinking about the government, and we can promote a good candidate who can take your place, and even you would be amazed how our country gonna flourish after that, you know. So that's why I decided to just link your tragedy, your sad days when you lost your parents. I just want to link that thing directly with the pain and suffer that feeling all your Turkmen nations, you know, all Turkmen people inside and outside the country. I just want to link these two together, you know, because there's no days when I can tell you directly that you have to. There's no days when I can just give you compare that pain all the Turkmen citizens are feeling with the pain that you have, because obviously when you don't lose anybody else, you don't have pain, you are free, you are happy. But this is the chance, this is the time when I have to say to you, Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedow and Serdar Berdimuhamedow, that the sad days in which you are living right now after losing your parents, after you losing your mother, that sad days existing in other Turkmen citizens' daily life. Every day they're feeling the same sadness, same feelings. That's why our request, just leave your positions and give that positions. We're gonna open the free elections. The election gonna be the free without corruptions, the fair elections, and we're gonna select a good candidate, and that candidate will have the main quality which you don't have. They're gonna take care of the Turkmen people. They're gonna take care of their future. They're gonna take care of their family members. They're gonna take care of all Turkmen nation from all the sides. We will walk on the street with the proud that we are Turkmen. We have that president, we have that country. We're gonna walk like this, but we can't. We can because of you. So that's why our request, just leave your positions, and we're gonna open new election, because the last election where you put your son, that was corrupted. It's obvious, everybody knows, all the countries knows that's corrupted. So we are requesting from you to leave the positions, and we're gonna open new election. We're gonna start new election. So that's why this is the message towards the family members of the Berdimuhamedow, and as well as towards him. And we want to just also what I want to try to say before I forget it. I see not a lot of, like some activists, political activists, they are like announcing this news as a happy news that the president's mother passed away. Guys, I just want to say you a few words before I end this session. Before I end this video, the problem of the son, the problem of his dictator ruling, The bad quality of the son is not always because of the mother. Mother could we don't know, maybe mother are saying to him that my son, Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedow, you are ruling in the bad way this country, people are suffering. Maybe we don't know, maybe his mother saying to him, but he's not listening his mother. So some of the people, I don't want to mention their name, they are like announcing this news, so happy news, oh, mother passed away, the dictator's mother passed away, very happy news, let's chill. No, you cannot do like this. This is the mother. Mother is the main thing in your life. So you cannot just insult in any shape or form. You cannot insult, despite what? Like even his son is #1 dictator, his grandson right now president and is also dictator. You cannot blame for those two dictators' faults their mothers and grandmothers. You cannot blame. So I'm just saying, please do not blame the mothers. Mothers is mothers. They will be always mother. Word is very, very, very strong word, mother. You cannot use bad words towards them. Don't do it, guys. Like when I'm saying these things, people who is using insulting words towards the mothers generally, and particularly the mother of the current dictators, and the mother of the Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedow, and as well as the grandmother of the current president Serdar Berdimuhamedow, probably you are using bad words towards them. Those people, when you are guys listening my videos, you probably understood right now. I hope you understood. I hope you should change your style. You cannot do like this. And that's it, guys. That's it. And I hope you're gonna subscribe to the channel. Just follow my channel. If you have any questions, just write in the comment section below. Also, I will leave my contact information. If you have any questions, if you wanna record one by one stream, or you want to record the question Q&A video, we can do it, guys. We can do it, and we will try our best to stop this dictatorship. We will try our best to improve the quality and quality of the life of the Turkmen peoples. We will try our best to make them happy by just erasing these dictators, by just removing these dictators, removing not anti-constitutionally, by constitutions. We always obey the law. We have to obey the law. You know, with the law, especially with the international law, we're gonna request, we're gonna demand, we're gonna request to let this dictator leave their positions only peacefully. That's only way. Not any riots or crazy actions. No, that's not the right way, guys. We have to apply the law, because law always good for us. Law is advising us for our law is advocating for our freedom. But the problem of the dictator countries, they are not obeying law, they are obeying their desires. So we have to promote the law to let them obey the law, you know. So we will obey the law. By obeying the law, we're going to request them, we're going to tell them to leave the positions, and we're gonna do new election. We're gonna find a good candidate. We're gonna put the good candidate who wanna take care of the Turkmen people, who are gonna think about their futures. I hope you understood, and I'm sorry if this video was too long. Subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time. Thanks so much. Bye bye.